All right, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be looking at my editing style and how I shoot and film real estate promo videos. So this particular house was a little cottage, not right on the lake, but it was close enough to where we needed to show that and show the proximity to the water. Let me take you into Final Cut Pro and I'm going to show you how I did this. All right, so here we are in Final Cut Pro. And so like I mentioned earlier, is we wanted to show the proximity of this house to this lake right here. And what I did was I just took the drone out over the lake and then just flew it back in kind of low, and I speed ramped this up, and all I'm doing is tipping that camera down, and I'm flying at a nice steady pace here. And then I just speed ramp it up and I hold it right here and leave that address right there so you can see the house. And then we cut to a different shot here, and I actually shot this all with the drone, the Mavic 2 Pro. I shot it in 30 frames a second, just your standard profile, H.264. I didn't shoot any of this in log. I just don't need it for real estate, really. I get enough dynamic range the way I shoot here, and I just take and use a custom setting on the drone where sharpness is all the way down, contrast is all the way down, and the saturation is all the way down. Here I just did a nice orbital shot around showing the back of the property, and then I cut to the side here, and then I just did a hard cut right into the inside right as the music hit. And I'm going to play this whole video for you after this video so you can see how it all flows together. But this is the speed of it. Just nice and slow, push in, boom, then we're right into the house. Now these, I shoot all my interiors on the Olympus EM1 Mark III with the Laowa f2, and I shot everything at about either between f2 and f2.8. If I have enough light in the house, then I shoot at f2.8, because you got to remember, I've explained this in other videos, when you're shooting on Micro Four Thirds, everything is a 2x crop. So not only is your focal length a 2x crop compared to full frame, but your aperture is also with the same amount of light gathering. So I wanted to focus on the kitchen here, so I just did a really slow push in here. Now we just moved to a different angle. So before I was shooting from over here, and now I just want to show the space again. So another push in, nice and slow here. And then I wanted to do a different type of reveal here. So this is showing this part of the kitchen, and I just spun around, keeping a nice smooth tempo, and then backing up, revealing that kitchen again. And this is how that clips look with a speed ramp here. Boom, right there. And then now we cut just to another setting here. These chairs look good. And now let's move on. This is the other side of the room now. Just another push in, back out, little speed ramp there, showing that kitchen. Now we're cutting. Now we've shown that space enough with all these different movements. And yes, I had a lot of push-ins, but this shot right here really broke up the monotony of the push-ins. And then we come to here with a reverse clip. So really all I did was, if you can see the clip here, I reversed this clip and then did a speed ramp about right there. And then we cut right to here, showing the bathroom. And then I always like to keep the clip if there is an adjoining bathroom, just to keep the clip flowing. In other words, instead of cutting, here and then cutting here, you want to try to show if there's en-suites, just to show that connected with one whole clip. And of course I just did a little speed ramp here so it's not so long and boring, because you want to keep the attention, so you want to keep things moving. Here is this same bedroom from looking out into the bedroom from the bathroom. And again, just different style, reveal shot here, another push in, and then we back it up, showing the proximity of this bathroom to that bedroom. Now, here's a technique that I've started doing, going upstairs. I used to go all the way up the stairs nice and smooth, and I've typically just want to keep things moving along even faster. So now I show that we're going up the stairs, and then I come back from the top of the stairs up. So you're coming up and then back up and over. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So all this clip is I'm just coming up, tilting up with the gimbal, and then I come to here and roll it up, and then you got to decide once you get upstairs where you're going to go. So that's how these two clips are flowing. Boom, right there, and then we slow it up, and then we speed ramp it up again back into this this bedroom. And then I cut it here. We show another bedroom here. And this took me a few takes here, but I think this actually is reversed because I kept seeing myself in this mirror. So I was just down really low. And if you see, yep, this is a reversed clip also. So I started from the bathroom and just pulled out, and then I came into the bedroom. And then all I did was have to reverse that clip. So I'm coming in and then pushing back out and then rolling in. So we'll see that full clip in a second. But then I figured, you know what? This is a small cottage. This is it. Let's get back outside. And I want to show another proximity drone shot. Right to here. Lifting up. Speed ramp it up. Boom. There's a lake. There's where you could put all the realtor's info and everything in there. So when you're shooting, you got to make sure that you have a good opener showing the proximity. Typically, it's a drone shot flying from far out. If the area calls for drone footage, and then you got to leave room for like the ending clip. Maybe it's a pull away shot, and then you can put the realtor's info at the end of it, or whatever they decide to do. This particular realtor didn't want any info at the end. They just wanted the address at the beginning, and that's it. So it's pretty easy edit. So stick around. I'm gonna show the entire video right now. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.